Listen carefully because what I am about to tell you could decide whether people respect you or walk all over you for the rest of your life. The harsh truth is that if you do not learn how to build a dangerous aura, people will keep ignoring you, doubting you, and using you without you even realizing the cost until it is too late. Most people move through life like open books, giving away their energy and their secrets to anyone who asks, wondering why they feel so replaceable. But the world does not listen to the loudest voice. It listens to the one who carries power in silence. To build this aura, you must master the art of mystery. And there is no greater foundation for mystery than the practice of semen retention. When you retain your life force, you are no longer a man who is easily read, because your internal chemistry is no longer dictated by the cheap pursuit of dopamine. You become an enigma. While other men are chasing temporary release, depleting their magnetism and their focus, you are building a reservoir of energy that people can feel before you even open your mouth. This is the first law of the dangerous aura. Uncertainty creates intrigue. When you stop oversharing and start retaining, you stop being a predictable pawn and start becoming a powerhouse of untapped potential. Presence is not about being the biggest person in the room. It is about control. Weak people always move too fast, talk too much, and laugh too easily because they are desperate for external validation. They give their power away with every nervous habit, but the dangerous man moves slower because he is grounded by a physical and mental weight that only comes from discipline. Semen retention provides this grounding. It increases your testosterone and sharpens your nervous system, allowing you to hold silence without feeling the need to fill it. When you are not constantly seeking a release, you develop a stillness that is unnerving to the average person. You breathe deeper, your voice carries a lower, more resonant frequency, and every word you speak lands like a bullet. This physical presence is the second trick to a dangerous aura. You control the pace of the room because you are the one who is most in control of himself. You are not rushing toward anything because you are already complete within your own frame. To gain a psychological edge that most will never have, you must cultivate unpredictability. This does not mean being erratic. It means being respectful and calm, while maintaining just enough edge that people know you are not to be tested. This edge is the direct result of the aggression and drive that builds up when you stop wasting your life force. On semen retention, your eyes become sharper and your focus becomes predatory in the best way possible. People can sense that there is a hidden fire behind your calm exterior. They hesitate before crossing you because they cannot gauge your limits. That hesitation is where your power lies. Most men are completely transparent because their desires are on the surface, but a man who retains has a hidden depth. You are like a deep ocean. The surface may be calm, but the pressure underneath is immense. This gap between what you show and what you hide acts as your shield, making you untouchable to those who seek to manipulate or disrespect you. Emotional discipline is the third principle of the dangerous aura, and it is perhaps the most difficult to master without a solid foundation of self-mastery. You must never let anyone see you overreact or act out of desperation, because desperation is the ultimate indicator of weakness. Semen retention is the ultimate exercise in emotional discipline. By denying the most primal urge a human has, you are training your brain to stay calm under intense internal pressure. If you can control your own biology, you can easily control your reaction to a coworker's insult or a stranger's rudeness. You learn to hold eye contact when others look away and to stand tall when others shrink. You flip the frame of every interaction so that you are no longer living in their world, they are living in yours. When you are on a long streak of retention, your pheromones and your energy change, creating a subconscious respect in others that they cannot even explain. They feel your authority because you have authored yourself through discipline. Think about the men who walk into a room and immediately command the air. They are not usually the loudest or the most boastful. They are the ones who seem untouchable. This is the aura of the dangerous man. It is invisible, but it is undeniable. You build it by choosing the hard path every single day. Every time you choose to retain your energy instead of throwing it away, you are adding another layer of armor to your aura. You stop apologizing for existing, and you stop explaining every choice you make. You start valuing your energy like it is gold, because through retention you realize that it actually is. Every day you walk around without this aura, the world puts you in the category of the harmless and the replaceable. That label is a cage, and the longer you stay in it, the harder it is to break free. You must change today by cutting out the noise. Speak less, retain more, and let the silence do the work for you. When someone tries to test you, do not give them the satisfaction of an emotional reaction. Let the silence eat them alive. In those moments of tension, your retained energy acts as a stabilizer. While the other person is spiraling into anxiety or anger, you remain a monolith of composure. This makes people uncomfortable, and in that discomfort, they recognize your superiority. Being dangerous does not mean being violent. It means being in such absolute control of your mind and body that no one knows where your boundaries end. This uncertainty is what makes people fear losing your presence and think twice before crossing you. Most people will never understand this. They will keep chasing approval, keep over-explaining, and keep draining themselves of the very essence that makes them powerful. They will stay invisible forever. But you have the tools to be different. You have the knowledge that mystery is respect, and that danger is the aura of those who rule themselves before they ever try to rule others. As you move forward, remember that your aura is a reflection of your internal state. You cannot fake a dangerous presence if you are empty inside. The energy you save through semen retention is the fuel for your magnetism. It brightens your skin, clears your mind, and gives you a level of confidence that is not based on ego, but on the fact that you have conquered your own nature. This is the ultimate dark psychology trick, becoming the man that everyone else is pretending to be. While they use tricks to look powerful, you are becoming power itself. Stay silent, stay disciplined, and let the world wonder how you became so untouchable. In a world full of noise, be the silence that demands attention. Carry yourself like a king who doesn't need a crown to be recognized. Your aura will speak for you, and it will say everything that needs to be said without you ever lifting a finger. Build your aura now, for if you wait until the world forces you to, it will already be too late. Hold your seat, hold your peace, and most importantly, hold your seed.